Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop heated before times of the week. So guys, in today's video, I'll be walking you through this Believers Records, retro drum kit. It's crazy, man. I'm telling you, it's amazing. The sounds in here, is just high quality stuff. I'm telling you, like nothing below that. Like, did you hear the beat, the one in the intro? It's crazy, isn't it? So like I made that beat using the drum kit. So man, yeah. So everything in here, is just high quality. All you gotta do is just drag and drop. I told you, man, things are getting better. So this here is this is definition, man. Like it's crazy. So without moving any further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Yeah. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So man, I am psyched up for this. So this bass guitar samples, this claps, this funk one shots, this hats, this kicks, this midis, this percussion, and this snares. Nice quality stuff, some nice goodies for you to actually look forward to. So I forgot to mention this. So the beat, the one you just heard in the intro. So I'm giving out that beat
free for profit. So
yeah, man. So once you actually download it, in a position to get the beat. So the beat will be wrapped up with the drum kit. So once you actually download the kit, you'll be in a position to get the beat. So you can go ahead, just sing on it, just do your thing on it, So yeah, so helps. I hope it actually helps you. So yeah, so let's go ahead and jump straight into this. So I'm gonna start with first with the midis as always. Then we'll head back to the rest of the stuff. So let's go ahead and load up the first MIDI. So here it is. So I'm gonna use a BPM of 90, but you can use whatever BPM you like. So let me just change this to 90. Yeah, we good. So let's go ahead and hear the first MIDI. That's the first MIDI. Second MIDI. All right, the last MIDI. So yeah, that's it for the midis, man. Not so many midis, but enough to actually give you a little bit, inspiration and all that. So yeah, so I hope you get inspired by that. So you can go as far as tweaking the midis if you don't like what you hear. It's all up to you, man. But I hope it actually helps you. So let's go ahead and move to the rest of the stuff. So I'm gonna start off here with the guitar samples, some bass guitar samples. That's the first guitar sample. The claps. There's some funk one shots. All right, the hats. All right, the kicks. All right, percussion. All right, the snares. Yeah, that's it for the kit, man. Crazy, isn't it? So like, yeah, so link in the description. Yeah, it should be pretty much, straightforward. So you shouldn't be getting any problems downloading this. But in case that happens, just hit me up on my number, or my email, whatever. Just I'll help you. So yeah, that's it for the kit, man. And I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up, and yeah, we'll talk. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, namaste.